Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'll show you how to create a professional email signature in Hotmail, quickly and easily. So yeah, if you want your emails to look polished, stick around. First, log into your Hotmail account using your email and password. Just enter your credentials and hit sign in. Once you're logged in, go to the settings menu. You can find it by clicking the gear icon at the top right corner of your inbox. Yeah, that little gear. Next, scroll down in the Settings menu and click on View All Outlook Settings. Then select Mail and choose Compose and Reply. This is where you can create your signature. In the signature box, type your name, title, contact info, or anything you want to include. You can also format the text, add links, or insert images if you like. Just play around until it looks good. Make sure to choose whether this signature appears on new emails, replies, or forwards by checking the appropriate boxes below the signature box. This way, your signature will always appear automatically. Finally, click Save at the bottom, and you're done. Yeah? Now, every email you send will have your signature attached. And that's it. Creating a Hotmail email signature is super easy. Don't forget to experiment with different styles to make it yours. If this helped you, go ahead and like the video and subscribe for more quick email tips.